Windows are more than just a way to let in natural light. They're an investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. For homeowners in Talladega, choosing the right window materials is especially important due to the region's mix of hot, humid summers and occasional winter chills. The right choice can mean decades of smooth operation, energy savings, and minimal maintenance. Below, we'll explore the best materials for long-lasting, high-performing windows in Talladega homes, along with their unique benefits. Vinyl. Affordable and weather-resistant vinyl windows are a top choice for Talladega homeowners looking for a budget-friendly yet durable option. Made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC, these windows resist warping, peeling, and moisture damage, perfect for the humid Alabama climate. Benefits. Low maintenance. No need for painting or staining. Energy efficiency. Good insulation to help reduce cooling costs in summer. Moisture resistance. Won't rot or corrode, even during heavy rains. Best for homeowners who want a cost-effective, low-upkeep solution with solid performance in varying weather conditions. Fiberglass. Strength meets efficiency. Fiberglass windows are known for their exceptional durability and resistance to temperature changes. They expand and contract very little, which means the seals remain tight and energy loss is minimized. Benefits. Long lifespan. Can last 30+ years with proper care. Excellent insulation. Helps keep your home cool in summer and warm in winter. Customizable look. Can mimic the appearance of painted wood without the upkeep. Best for homeowners looking for a premium product that balances strength, style, and energy performance. Aluminum. Sleek and sturdy aluminum windows offer a modern, slim profile design while being incredibly strong. They're resistant to rust, making them suitable for areas with high humidity. Benefits. Structural strength. Allows for larger glass panes with thinner frames. Low maintenance. Minimal upkeep needed over time. Durability. Can withstand storms and high winds without warping. Best for modern or contemporary homes where sleek lines and large glass areas are desired. Wood-clad. Timeless appeal with added protection. Wood-clad windows combine the classic charm of wood on the inside with a protective layer, often aluminum or vinyl, on the outside. This pairing offers beauty without sacrificing durability. Benefits. Aesthetic warmth. Natural wood adds character and value to your home. Weather resistance. Exterior cladding shields against moisture and UV damage. Custom finishes. Can be painted or stained to match your home's style. Best for homeowners who want the elegance of wood with the protection needed for Talladega's variable weather. Composite. The best of all worlds. Composite windows are made from a mix of materials, often wood fibers and polymers, designed to deliver superior performance and minimal maintenance. Benefits. Durability. Resistant to rot, warping, and insect damage. Energy efficiency. Excellent thermal performance for year-round comfort. Design versatility. Can mimic wood or come in various modern finishes. Best for homeowners who want high performance and long life without the maintenance of traditional wood. Making the right choice. When choosing window materials for your Talladega home, consider climate adaptability. Heat, humidity, and occasional storms demand weather-resistant materials. Energy efficiency. Look for materials with strong insulating properties to lower energy bills. Maintenance needs. Decide how much time and effort you're willing to invest in upkeep. Budget and style. Balance your desired look with your budget. Final thoughts. Durable windows are an investment that pays off in comfort, energy savings, and home value. Whether you choose the budget-friendly resilience of vinyl, the strength of fiberglass, or the timeless elegance of wood clad, the right material will keep your Talladega home looking great and performing well for decades to come. A thoughtful selection now means fewer repairs, better insulation, and peace of mind no matter what the Alabama weather brings.